Today I will be talking about MCP Toolbox. What is MCP Toolbox and what's the use of MCP Toolbox? So we all know the full form of MCP Model Context Protocol, and the use of MCP Toolbox is to connect your AI agent with BigQuery or with any database. So you can connect your AI agent with SQL Server. You can connect your database with BigQuery by the help of MCP Toolbox, and that's the main objective of using MCP Toolbox in order to connect your AI agent with database. So here I'm going to connect my AI agent and I will be using ADK framework. So here I'm going to connect my ADK AI agent with BigQuery, and I'm going to show how to connect our ADK AI agent with BigQuery. It is very easy, it is very simple, it is not that difficult. So first of all, you have to download all the libraries. Let me show you which libraries. You can go through this documentation and you can download all the required library. So you have to download Google ATK, and you have to download Toolbox Core. So these libraries are very important, and after downloading this library you have to do one thing. You have to make a file. You can make it adk.ipynb file. So I have named it adk.ipynb file, and let me show you what code you need to write. And yeah, before that, first of all, after downloading all the libraries, you have to run this command. This command on command prompt, a PowerShell. So you can copy. Wait a minute, let me copy. You can copy this and you can paste this. Let me open the terminal. So I'm using Project IDX. I'm not using VS Code. You can use VS Code if you want. So we can copy the command and we can paste it. Allow. So we can run this command, and after running and executing this command, we're gonna get one folder called Toolbox. So you can check this folder. So you can run as it is, and after that you have to make a YAML file. So this is the YAML file. So you can copy from here. Let me show you. You can copy this YAML file and you can copy other YAML file to perform different operation. So you can copy this YAML file and you can paste it here. So I have already done that. I have pasted my YAML file and I have copied as well. And after that, I do not know why it's taking very long time. Sometimes it takes very long time, so it is maybe because of some network issue. So you can see this is YAML file I have copied and I have pasted, and you have to mention your project ID here, and after that you have to write code. So I have installed Google ATK, you can see, and I have installed some framework. I have installed Google.GenAI as well. This one is very important if you are using GenAI. So, and then you have to write code. Oh, let me show you the main code. This is not the main code. Okay, not this code. Oh, this for land graph, not this code. Yeah, this code. Yeah, sorry. So now, then you have to write this code. So you can copy the code from here. Code is already mentioned. You can copy the code. And before writing code, you have already made your YAML file, and after that you have to run this command. So you have written YAML file, so you have installed Toolbox, so you have Toolbox and you have YAML file, and after that you have to run this command, which is very important. Let me remove this command. So before executing your code, you have to download Toolbox one time. You do not need to download Toolbox all the time. So, but you have to run this command all the time. So whenever you are performing operations, so you have to run this command. The Toolbox tools file. Since the name of my YAML file is tools.yaml, so that's why I have mentioned tools.yaml. So you have to run this command. So I have run this command, and after that you have to copy the code from there and you have to paste it. Yeah, so I have already copied and I have pasted here, and then I can execute this code. Okay, let me connect with my Python environment. So this code is being executed, you can see. It's going to take some time. it depends on network as well. Sometimes it does not take very long time, sometimes it take very long time. So right now it's taking very long time. Okay, it has been executed. Now like I want to see my output. So in order to see output, you have to make this function. This is the function. You have to make this function. I mean, yeah, you have to write this code. So this code is not mentioned, by the way. So you have to write this code by yourself. You can copy the code from here. You can see whatever I have written, or I will give a link of my GitHub repo, so you can copy the code from GitHub repo and you can paste it in your environment. So you have to write this code if you want to see the output. So let me run this, execute this command. Yeah, so you will get this. You have to grant access, which is very important. So I have granted access. Then you will get the output. Output will be like this. So you will be getting output. So this is the way of using MCP Toolbox in VS Code. You can use VS Code, you can use Project IDX, and you can get output. So it is very easy, it is not difficult. So you just need to copy and paste, and in order to run the code, in order to see the output, so we have different way of getting output. So this is one of the way by using runner. So you can use runner and you can get the output by using this function, and your output will be looking like this. Let me wait for output. So it is being executed. So yeah, I got output. Yeah, this is a very big output I got. So I got output, so you can do same thing. So you can also perform the operation and you will be getting output like this. So it's very easy. So I'm gonna make another video on MCP. So this video was on MCP Toolbox. So in another video I'm gonna write code for MCP server, and then I will execute it. So you can see this, how easy it is. So how we are using our MCP Toolbox as a tools here. So you can see. So here you can see the name, my BQ tool set. So okay, it is taking a very long time today. You can see, this is my BQ tool set. So this is the name of tool set, and same name you have to mention here. You can see same name you have to mention here. And let me explain a few more things. So we have tools, right? So here I have mentioned the source. You can see the source here, and you have to mention source in tools. And so this is the statement of tools, and inside in tool set you have to mention all the tools. For example, I have mentioned only one tool, so I have only one tools here. So you could have multiple tools, and you have to mention all tools here inside tool set, and then you have to copy the name of your tool set and you have to paste here, and then you can execute the code. If you want to run in 8000, you can run in 8000 server. If you want to run in 5000, you can run. It is your choice. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching it. You can also try in your VS Code, or if you want to try in Project IDX, it will be very good. In VS Code maybe you can face some problem, but if you try this in your Project IDX, it will be very good for you. Now name of Project IDX is Firebase Studio, so you can try it in Firebase Studio. It will be very beneficial for you, I hope so.